Hey everyone, welcome back to Polarbyte, your trusted hub for crypto insights straight from the Great White North, where we cut through the noise on everything from market swings to those all-important regulatory quirks that hit us Canadians right in the wallet. Because let's face it, nobody's unpacking how our TSX-listed plays and CRA rules tie into the global bull run quite like we do here. It's October 1, 2025, 3:40 p.m. EDT. And with Bitcoin flexing around that sweet 110K spot and October whispers turning into roars, there's no better time to talk stacking exposure without the headache of cold storage or exchange drama. We're zeroing in on the top 5 crypto ETFs tailor-made for us up here. Easy buys through your brokerage account, tax perks in your TFSA or RRSP, and a front row seat to the digital gold rush. But hold up, before we jump in, this is all just my take based on the latest data and trends. I'm not your advisor, so run your own numbers, chat with a pro if needed, and only invest what won't keep you up at night. Got it? Kicking things off at number 5, we've got the Evolve Bitcoin ETF, ticker EBIT on the TSX, clocking in with a management expense ratio around 0.75% and assets under management pushing past $500 million. It's a solid entry for folks wanting pure Bitcoin play without bells and whistles, holding the actual coins in cold storage via Gemini Trust, and it's been tracking BTC's ups and downs with a tight 0.2% premium or discount, making it a no-fuss pick for conservative stackers who appreciate Evolve's track record in thematic funds. Sliding into 4th is the CI Galaxy Ethereum ETF, BTCX.B for the Bitcoin version, but we're spotlighting their ETH side here at ticker ETHX.B, with an MER of just 0.40% and over $1 billion in AUM, backed by Galaxy Digital's institutional muscle. It gives you Ethereum exposure for those smart contract bets, complete with staking yields baked in at around 4% annually, and it's traded like a stock, so you can snag it commission-free on most Canadian platforms without sweating wallet security. Number 3 goes to iShares Bitcoin ETF from BlackRock, ticker IBIT on the TSX, boasting a rock-bottom MER of 0.25% and exploding AUM north of $2 billion since its 2025 launch. It's the institutional darling with Coinbase custody handling the keys, ultra-low tracking error under 1%, and that BlackRock seal of approval drawing in pension funds and big money, perfect if you're eyeing long-term holds in your retirement nest egg without the volatility keeping you glued to charts. But the real showdown heats up with our top 2. Fidelity Advantage Bitcoin ETF versus Purpose Bitcoin ETF. 2 heavyweights slugging it out for your loonies. And spoiler, it's a nail-biter on fees, liquidity, and custody that could make or break your returns. Starting with Purpose Bitcoin ETF, ticker BTCC, the OG of Canadian crypto funds since it dropped in 2021 with over $3 billion in AUM and an MER capped at 1%, but often hovering around 9.9. It's got that pioneer cred, direct BTC holdings in cold storage through Tetra Trust, and stellar liquidity with daily volumes topping 10 million shares, plus options trading for those hedging plays. It's battle-tested through bear markets, delivering spot-on tracking with minimal premiums, but that feasting might eat into gains if you're parking big stacks long-term. Then there's Fidelity Advantage Bitcoin ETF, FBTC on the TSX, the fresh-faced challenger with AUM closing in on $1.5 billion, and MER slashed to a killer 0.32% in early 2025. Yep, that's less than a third of Purpose's bite. And self-custody through Fidelity Digital Assets, meaning no third-party risks, tighter spreads under 0.05%, and seamless integration if you're already in the Fidelity ecosystem for your stocks or bonds. Head-to-head, Fidelity edges out on cost savings that could add up to thousands over years, especially for TFSA holders chasing compound magic, while Purpose wins on sheer volume and that proven staying power through crypto winters. But if I had to crown a champ for 2025's bull vibes, Fidelity's low-fee efficiency takes the W, letting more of those BTC pumps flow straight to your pocket. And here's a pro tip for you Canadians looking to jump in. Investing in these ETFs through Wealthsimple couldn't be simpler. Just download the app or hit their site, link your bank, and with a few clicks, you're buying these funds right inside your TFSA or taxable account. No crypto wallet hassles, no KYC nightmares, just pure ease. They've got low fees starting at 0.40 to 0.50% depending on your account size, plus sweet offers like bonus cash on initial deposits. Think $50 to $150 free if you drop $500 or more to start. Check the details in the link below. It's a no-brainer way to dip into this market, especially with Wealthsimple's slick interface and Canadian-first support, making it ideal for stacking those ETF gains without breaking a sweat. There you go, Polarbyte Squad. These ETFs are your shortcut to crypto conviction without the tech headaches, blending Wall Street polish with Canadian compliance so you can hodl smarter, not harder, and ride this trillion-dollar wave building right now. If you're fired up, peek at the links I'll flash on screen next. Dive into the prospectuses, check live quotes, and see the fee breakdowns for yourself. Smash subscribe for more Canadian-first breakdowns like our upcoming tax tweaks deep dive. Drop a comment on your ETF pick, and remember, the North's crypto edge? That's Polarbyte territory. Stay stacked, stay savvy. Catch you in the next one.